Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable aeroplane mode and how to use aeroplane mode setting on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to use aeroplane mode setting. So how to use and enable today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Realme phone. Friends, click on connection and sharing setting. Click here. Friends, first you can see aeroplane mode setting. So friends, you want to enable aeroplane mode on your Realme phone device. Friends, click here right side. Aeroplane mode will enable guys after 4 and 5 seconds. Aeroplane mode will enable, and friends, aeroplane mode icon will show on your status bar. And friends, after enable aeroplane mode friends, you cannot use your phone call setting, and friends you cannot use your mobile internet setting guys. And guys, you have connected any Wi-Fi network, so your Wi-Fi network will forget. So friends, we will have to again connect. So we will click on Wi-Fi, and guys we will select any network. So I have got this network, so I will connect this network. So is after enable aeroplane mode friends, I can connect Wi-Fi network, and friends I can use my Realme phone. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network will connect, and guys I can use easily this Wi-Fi network after enable aeroplane mode also. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network will connect, and friends now I can use this Wi-Fi network. But guys, you cannot use your phone internet, means your mobile data friends, you cannot use it. So friends, you can see I can operate YouTube app. So like that guys, we can enable aeroplane mode, and friends we can use Wi-Fi after enable airplane mode. And guys, you want to disable, you don't want to use airplane mode friends, you can disable from here. So like that guy, we can use airplane mode setting on Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.